Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the black screen and CapCut to make black place effect. For example, I'm just going to add the video, right? And go to library, you can find this black screen, just add to the right and make it as an overlay, put on top another clip. So make it shorter and copy paste. Yeah, sorry. And keep the instance. Copy paste again. Keep this tense. So, and so on until finish the video. That's it. So this is the final effect you have on your video. So that's how you can create black place effect using black screen in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.